Hello, my name is Aaliyah Smith, and this is my heroic imagination presentation. Okay, so starting off, what everyday heroism means to me and my road to becoming one. So, heroism means to me setting out to better yourself and the world around you, no matter what your background is or where you come from. You can always rise above hardships and negative that life throws at you, and you can always become a hero. Every day, we should set out to be a positive influence to the world around us in a way that we feel most powerful, whether it's through art or donating or volunteering. Just there's so many different ways that you can just put out a positive influence on the world. And I believe that every day we have the power to better our world and others as well as ourselves. So my hero that I chose for this is Vincent Gallo. So why? Vincent Gallo is my hero because though he's had a hard life with his parents, like his father was an alcoholic, who never wanted to really do anything for his children. Like he would dread his children asking things of him. So Vincent really had to kind of fend for himself, which led to him being a thief, stealing, and things like that at a very young age. So, as most people, when he was young, saw him as a criminal, I see him now as a hero. So Vincent took the initiative to turn his life around. He started to separate himself from those who were bringing the worst out of him and started to focus on his passions like music, art, and most famously, his movie that he directed and starred in. In my opinion, he went from zero to hero and showed that no matter where you come from, you can really achieve things that may seem as unthinkable. And to me, he's a hero for staying true to himself. Because though he's been in these movies, he's done music, he's even done modeling and things like that. He just shows that though he contributes to the world, he's not perfect. Like no hero is gonna be perfect all the time. He has essays where he talks about how he still holds grudges. He still does things like that. Like he's human, and he went through all these hardships, but came out of the other side to me as a hero, as my hero. So when have I been heroic? Um, I'd say lifting others up. So I'm a very positive person, and I like to try and spread positivity by like helping others by putting a smile on their face or just trying to help the people around you because by helping them that it can put them in a way or like a mood where they want to be a hero themselves. Volunteering is another. So I've always volunteered, whether it was at my church or Matthew 25 Ministries is another one that I did for years, where you sort shoes or make little care packages for people who either have gone through like hurricane devastation or in other countries that are just poorer than us. And I just think it's a really good way to be a hero. Helping the elderly, that is a really big thing for me. I have people in my condo who live in my condo, live above me, who are elderly people, and I love to help them, whether it be taking out their trash, running to the store for them. I'll tell them I'm on my way. Just really helping out, even if it means helping them cross the street. Really, anything. I don't know why that's. I just really respect the elderly, so I feel like it's a really good way to give back by helping them. So when have I failed? Sometimes I feel sometimes you can be selfish or self-absorbed where you're only focusing on yourself and you're not thinking about others and you're just thinking about me, and I definitely struggled with that when I was younger. Another would be being greedy, so just being overindulgent, not thinking about the others around me and things like that. um So how can you avoid this in the future, or ways that you can? I would say by thinking things through, not going by your first instinct, because your first instinct might be, we're human, you know, it might be, oh, myself, just think about me. So it's like if you just think it through, you can realize that, oh, maybe they need it more, or things like that. So it kind of leads into the next, putting yourself in others' shoes, thinking about other people's situations and what they're going through, or putting it in perspective. So instead of just thinking in your own head, like thinking outside yourself, basically. Can anyone be a hero? Oh my goodness, yes. Anyone can be a hero. Anyone can look outside themselves, put the bad behind them, and focus on the good and bringing the good out of others. Being a hero doesn't mean being perfect. It just means trying your best and putting your best foot forward. And I really do believe that. So hopefully through this presentation, you see no matter where you come from, no matter what hardships you've gone through, you can be a hero. And you being a hero, you can impact others' lives as well as your own. So I think being a hero is very important in today's world. So yes, thank you for listening to my presentation. And yes, hopefully you choose to be a hero.